Hi guys, welcome to How to Library, and today I'm going to show you how to add a background to your video on CapCut. So first things first, you're going to click on the big blue bubble that's on top of the screen and says add project, and you're going to pick a video from your camera roll you want to edit. I'm not going to be doing that right now because I have a video that's in editing right now, and we're going to click on that. It's named 1204, so I'm going to click on it. And for this, I've used a random TikTok video. So once we get here, we're going to look at the bottom of the screen and we have a couple of icons, an edit icon, an audio icon, a text icon, a stickers icon, an overlay, effects, filters, format, canvas, and adjust. So we're going to stop right here because we're going to need to click on the canvas option. And once we click here at the bottom of the screen, they're going to pop up three other icons, a color, a background, and a blur. So we're going to click on the background icon. And you can add your own icon, or you can see some icons, some pictures they have already. They have a lot of cute pictures, so I'm going to pick this one, like the glittery one, or we can even pick this one. And after you've picked an icon, or an image, or you've imported one from your gallery, you have to click on the bottom right corner on the little icon, and that will just save it. And this is going to be the same throughout your whole video. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys!